Hello, my name is Alonso and my team is conformed by Omar, Ivana and Joan. So we are going to talk about the company of Bimbo. This company was founded on 2 of December of 1945 by Lorenzo Servich, Roberto Servich, Jaime Yorba, Alfonso Velasco, and Jose T. Mata. During the 50s, this company established itself as a leading brand in the baking industry in Mexico, expanding its presence nationwide. In the 60s, Grupo Bimbo made its first significant acquisitions, purchasing regional bakery companies in Mexico. In the year of 1978 was when Bimbo can go to USA for first time. In the years of 80s was continue being a big company from USA and Latin. In the 90s, Bimbo made strategic investments, modernizing its facilities and adopting advanced technologies in food production. And today, Grupo Bimbo is a global company with a presence in over 30 countries. The company has diversified its products portfolio to include a wide range of foods, not just baked goods.
The mission of Grupo Bimbo is to be a world-class food company, a leader in the baking industry, providing high-quality products that meets the needs and preference of customers globally. And the vision is to be a global company with preference brands committed to health, well-being, and sustainability development, and also making a positive construction and contribution to the community where it operates.
The values of the company are quality and safety, committed to the production of safe and high-quality foods. Integrity, acting with honesty and ethics in all business interactions and relationships. Sustainability, operating responsibly and sustainably, caring for the environment and contributing to community development. Innovation, fostering creativity and continuous improvement in products and processes. Customer focus, meeting the needs and expectations of customers, exceeding their expectations.
Objectives 1. Global expansion. Continuously expand international presence by acquiring and operation companies in different countries to reach new markets. 2. Product diversification. Introduce new products and diversify the portfolio to adapt to change consumer preference and needs. 3. Corporate social responsibility. Develop initiatives and projects that contribute to the well-being of the communities where it operates, promoting education and nutrition. 4. Technological innovation. Invest in technological to improve production efficiency and stay at the forefront of the food industry.